So, hi everyone, it's pancake day and Jonathan is making pancakes, but he don't want to go on camera, so I'm not going to put him on. So what are you doing there, Jonathan?
I'm talking.
Yeah? How much are you putting in?
12 ounces.
12 ounces of, what is it?
Plain flour.
Plain flour. Let me look on the scale. 12 ounces of plain flour. We've got eggs, lemons or limes, whatever it is, and caster sugar. And then we've got a frying pan, what is not even put oil in yet.
You don't need to put oil in, it's non-stick.
Yeah, you do. You still have to put oil in with pancakes.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. Believe me.
I've done my mother's recipe for 22 years.
Mother and I have been coming here 25 years. Is it? So we need a whisk.
And you make a well.
Right, Jonathan's making a well. Whatever one of them is.
In the middle.
Come on then, hurry up.
And you add 2 eggs.
2? Is that it?
Yeah.
I just put a full pack of eggs in. Right, he's put in 2 eggs in. Let's show the audience. And then what else to do? I've made them before, but I once did it and it turned into scrambled eggs.
Milk.
What pan's that at?
That's on a gentle heat.
As if when you do pancakes it's on a hot heat.
Yeah, medium, it's on 3. Otherwise it'll burn before it cooks inside.
You use oil. So it's prim milk in what is not even weighed the milk. And it's not your mum's recipe. Anyone can make pancakes. You forgot to put salt in.
I did put salt in.
Oh, look at them eggs. They'd have been little chicks then if you didn't have braked them. This is a lemon jiff. Don't know if they have them in America and stuff, but we've got them. That's caster sugar.
Yeah.
Why not proper sugar?
It's decorative.
Why not mixing all outside bit
You
in?
do it you bit by bit to get a smooth batter.
As if. If I were doing it, I'd buy one of them electric ones. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. It's gonna get lumps in it otherwise. Some people put chocolate in them, or berries, or strawberries. But I only like pancakes with cheese or gravy. Or that lemon.
What, that lemon?
Yeah.
Sugar and lemon's best.
No, it ain't. Gravy's best. Wonder if people like these cooking videos. I'm just doing different videos now for my channel, a mixture. People get bored of watching same about wax all the time. And products. How long are you going to mix that for now?
Well, it nearly done.
Right, so he says that's nearly done. And then... Why are you looking at camera? I'm not putting it on ya. But that pan, it smells like it's burning.
Because it's new.
But you still have to put oil in it.
You don't, it's non-stick.
It's not. You watch.
You're going to toss the pancake.
My heck. Toss the pancake,
Nice
God.
smooth batter.
Right then, let's see this. I'm going to laugh when you can't do it. When you stick it and it turns into scrambled egg. Right, Jonathan's doing his special pancakes. I nearly said Valentine's Day pancakes then. That's the batter.
Honestly.
It's hot. 1 cupful. Why are you putting it in a cup?
So you can grab onto it.
Oh my God, as if. You're supposed to put oil in it, Jonathan.
Oh. I think I know.
You don't put all that in.
Shut up.
You don't put all that in.
Yeah, I have to keep them warm.
What?
I have to keep them warm a little bit.
If you just keep putting them on plate on top of each other, it'll keep them warm. I don't want any to burn. If they taste horrible, I put oil in them. Never known anyone do it with no oil in. Ever. Look, you're making a mess all outside, there.
Shut up.
Come on then, toss it.
Not ready to be tossed yet. I'm not tossing using that
Why? That's not pancake day then, is it? And how much will all that make?
6.
I reckon it's gonna stick. Does you need oil in?
Don't, 'cause it's non-stick.
Jonathan, you need oil. Trust me. Made pancakes before. See what I mean? It's just stuck. It's just scratching pan that. See, why didn't you listen and put oil in like I said? Well, that's one wasted. You'll have to wash that pan now. A pancake's not one that you have to scrape out of a pan, is it? It's not even on, I know.
It is.
Is it egg? Pancakes aren't that colour. When you do pancakes, you turn it right high so they go brown and put a bit of oil in. That's right funny, look at that. Jonathan's pancake. As if. Just throw that one away, put a bit of oil in. Go on.
I'm not throwing it away, it's still edible.
Well, I'm not eating that. Didn't even give that to a dog.
Maybe too thick.
Jonathan, it's not worth eating, it needs oil.
Just put oil in that pan.
No, to make pancakes and you use oil. And you get the oil red hot and then you put a bit of that in. Before you put too much in. The oil has to be red hot. A bit more than that. More.
No, we don't need any more. I mean, leave it so it doesn't stick. It's too much, that.
We put too much stuff in for a start. No, it is not. You have to let it get hot. I knew I should have made them. You didn't even put water in it.
You don't need to put water in
You
it.
do. You put water in
Well,
pancakes.
when you put milk in.
Yeah, you put milk and water.
No, I think that's a bit too thick.
Jonathan, I know how to make it. You put water in it.
No, you don't.
Right, whatever then. Google the recipe and you'll see. God, it's going to be right fucking fattening that. You're supposed to put water in it as well. Milk, eggs, flour and water.
Oh, my mum never does, and I've had hers for years and I always put it.
Oh, that's your mum in it. Come on then. Come on, hurry up. I don't want 15 minutes of pancake video what's not even turning out right. Making a right mess. It's not even on high enough.
It's on full.
It's not even doing out.
It's cooking.
Shit, that pan.
No, it's not, it's brand new.
It's still crap.
It's not.
Can't mess you've made, although.
A little bit. You're not putting this on to Facebook or YouTube.
Yeah, I am. It's my YouTube video. But you're ruining it. Shake it a bit. It's not hot enough.
It can't go any hotter than high, can it?
Well, it's obviously on a small ring then.
It's on the biggest. Doing fine.
Yeah, it is now you've got oil on. And don't try tossing it because I don't want oil all over the
I'm
wall.
not going to toss things.
Turn it. Go. Leave it. So you've made it stick to the fork.
That's nearly done.
Can I do mine then?
No.
Yeah. I want it brown, I don't want it like that. Yellow. Looks fucking Chinese. Leave it in pan to brown. You're supposed to press on it. Not with that side, with that. Well, that's our failed attempt at pancake.
That's not failed.
It is.
How is it failed? It's a proper pancake.
Yeah, it's not even though, is it? On
That's
colour,
even.
all the way round.
That's too even.
No, turn it back over. You need more oil in it.
Not anymore.
Right, you can eat that one. I'll do mine. Try it.
Try what?
That pancake.
No, it's going in the oven to keep warm until the door's done.
Well, let me do one. Right,
Done.
that one's done for Jonathan. Put a bit more oil in. I'm gonna do one now. So, this is me doing one, and you better not make my phone greasy. And I want mine to be not too big.
You don't need any more than that.
Yeah, you put those in. You can leave a cup there. And the best at pancakes.
I don't want to film.
Shut up.
I want to roll that one and put it in the oven.
You can put them all in afterwards. I want to see if mine turns out better than yours. Sound professional at these. I've done them millions of times in years. I usually do them really small, like smaller than this. Where's the actual ring? This is me making pancakes. I'm going to turn it over now. See, an even colour. And that's what you need.
Yeah.
Wait till
Carving
mine.
it.
Things. Wait till mine turns out.
Well, you hold it then while I do that.
On.
Go on, you can.
Right, this is my pancake. I'm doing really, really good on mine. You can do them smaller than this if you want.
That's lovely.
Do some smaller ones.
Yeah, you can have your own plate and put yours on. On that side.
I want my plate on this side, opposite side. That's that one done. That one's mine. We don't need oil in yet. No, don't put loads in.
It's
I want
mine
to show
now.
you something.
No, I'm doing mine. Stop it.
You make quite big ones.
Yeah, I like big fucking rolling. That's nice.
Get my pancake.
You rolling it?
No.
I roll mine.
Folding it in half, but look how perfect mine is. Haha. So that's our attempt at making pancakes. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Say bye, Jonathan.
Bye.